Hey everyone, as I've been grading, I've noticed that students are having a little difficulty writing a synthesis paragraph. So I'm going to break it down step by step for you. Please use this video and the template below as a resource as you revise your final paper. So let's look at this paragraph that I wrote. This is on a silly topic and I didn't actually do research for it, but it can give you an idea of how these paragraphs are structured. So we'll start with the topic sentence. John Smith has claimed that dogs are the preferred pet for families with small children due to their ability to guard the home, and this claim has been further verified by outside research. In your topic sentence, you want to explain the claim that you are analyzing and make an evaluation of its validity as a claim. This part. This evaluation should be based on your research that you did in the annotated bibliography. After the topic sentence, we need to introduce our first bit of supporting or refuting evidence. We do this in the second sentence. Here it is. In a study of 100 Georgia parents, John Rolfe discovered that over 70% of parents expressed a preference for dogs rather than cats, and a majority of these parents cited safety as one major factor they considered when picking a pet for their young child. Notice that I included the in-text citation at the end. The purpose of this sentence is to bring in a claim from an outside source that corresponds to what your original source claimed. Now, our reader can see that at least two people have agreed on this statement up here. Now that we have our supporting evidence, we need to share our original claim from the article. Remember that in academic writing, we need to have evidence for our claims. Here, that evidence is the original claim from our article. I've introduced it like this. This evidence supports Smith's specific claim that dogs' evolutionary behavior to hunt wild game and herd animals alongside humans make them excellent candidates for busy parents who are worried about keeping an eye on their children. Now we need to synthesize the sources together. When you synthesize, you explain where one source overlaps with another source to help it out and make its argument more fully. Let's look at how I did it in the sample paragraph. While Smith bases his argument on dog biology, Rolfe's practical survey of parents proves that parental preference is correlated with Smith's theoretical claim. One of the authors made a scientific claim. The other made a claim based on the survey. Can you see how they help each other out? Next, I want to show you an example of a potential refuting claim and how to deal with it. You may not need to do this in your paragraph, but I just want to give you guys an example. So here we're addressing a counter argument that could be made against our original claim. It looks like this. While John Lidgett's claim that cats actually benefit the home by keeping pests away from children must also be considered, this claim is less persuasive because the threat to the home posed by rats is less immediately relevant than the threats that dogs address, namely abduction, burglary, and child injury. We examine what the author says, their claim, and then we explain why it's not that important. Finally, our last sentence tries to sum up everything that we talked about and restate our topic sentence. Here's what mine looks like. Given the increased protection provided to young children by dogs over cats, Smith's claim is valid and supported by research. So I hope this video helps. The sample paragraph is posted below to give you a written template for your paragraphs. If you have questions or concerns, please let me know.